Hi everyone, Ted here with the Holmes team at William Ravis Real Estate. Today we're going to talk about the local real estate market trends as we begin the year of 2025. The fourth quarter is typically a slower time of year in the market. Inventory is lower, buyers will hit the pause button and are less motivated until the new year begins. So what do the numbers tell us about the overall market in Westchester County? So looking at all property types, let's look at how the past 12 months compares to 2023. So the total number of closed sales is 7,528, and that's slightly down from 7,299, which is a 3% decrease year over year. So let's talk about the median sale price. Prices continue to rise, with the median reaching 718,000, and that's up from 644,900 in 2023, a 10% increase year over year. Overall inventory and market conditions. Currently, the homes for sale, the number of active listings is 1,540, and that's a 6% decrease from last year's 1,644. And median days on market is holding steady at 25 days, while the months of supply is still very low at 2.5 months, keeping us firmly in a seller's market. These factors reinforce that demand is strong. With limited inventory, home prices are holding steady or increasing. Now, of course, this is a broad overview. So if you're curious about trends in your specific neighborhood or property type, I'd be happy to provide a more detailed analysis. Just reach out anytime. Thanks for viewing this video and have a great rest of your day.